Hi, thanks for coming back. And we are again looking at the DK Smithsonian Gems book, the definitive visual guide. So today we are going to be looking at India. So we are looking at this amazing necklace. Oh, goodness. It is Patiala necklace, P-A-T-I-A-L-A, and it is 962.25 carats total of diamonds. So that is amazing. So here is the necklace. Look at that thing. It's been restored, it looks like. So it says the Patiala necklace was a spectacular 5-tiered Art Deco diamond necklace which incorporated the famous De Beers diamond and was made for India's Maharaja of Patiala, Bhupinder Singh, by Cartier in 1928. It later disappeared for a time but was rediscovered and restored. The necklace's platinum base contained 2,930 diamonds, weighing a collective 962.25 carats. The world's 7th largest diamond, the light yellow De Beers, formed its centerpiece right here at 234.65 carats. Other highlights included 2 Burmese rubies and an 18-carat tobacco-colored diamond. One of the necklace's 7 large diamonds ranging from 18 to 73 carats. Yadavindra Singh inherited the necklace with his father's title in 1938. However, the Indian state came under financial pressure and was forced to sell off several of the necklace's stones. Its platinum base later vanished from the royal treasury, presumably also sold after India achieved independence in 1947. In 1998, the greatly diminished necklace resurfaced in a London antique shop where a Cartier representative recognized and purchased it. That's pretty amazing. The largest of its stones were missing, including the famous De Beers diamond. Cartier set about restoring the necklace, initially replacing missing diamonds with other natural stones, such as white and yellow sapphires, white topaz, and garnets. However, these lacked the same brilliant effect as diamonds. The jewelers opted for a dazzling array of white cubic zirconias and other synthetic diamonds, as well as synthetic topaz, ruby, smoky quartz, and citrine stones. In 2002, Cartier displayed the necklace in its New York boutique, attracting crowds of onlookers. Even without all of its original huge and valuable gems, the necklace was still a dazzling sight. That is pretty amazing. This here, it says Bhupinder Singh's silver gilt dinner service, made for a visit by future King Edward VIII in 1922. And over here we have key dates for the stone, for the De Beers diamond, and the creation of the necklace, and where you can see it currently. This layout is of Indian jewels. It says, sapphires, rubies, garnets. India has been famed for centuries as a source of some of the world's most precious gemstones, a treasure trove matched by the skills of its goldsmiths and jewelers. Cultural traditions and techniques flowing from India to Europe and the US and back have enhanced the jewelry of both East and West. Many of the pieces here come from the vast collection of Sheikh Hamad bin Abdullah Al Thani, which holds some of the world's rarest Indian jewels. So let's take a closer look at these. Okay, this is a gold and silver turban ornament from around 1900, and it is set with emeralds, diamonds, and pearls. This is an earring from Van Cleef & Arpels, made with brilliant cut diamonds and step cut sapphires in 1935. That would be a stunning set. Okay, and here's a nose ring. This piece from 1925 to 1950 consists of gold set with diamonds, seed pearls, and rubies. And then, now look at this pendant brooch made of platinum. This Van Cleef & Arpels brooch from 1924 is set with pearls, diamonds, rubies, sapphires, and emeralds. Right here, this is another turban ornament called a jika. This 18th century gold elephant shaped ornament is set with rubies, diamonds, and emeralds. Over here we've got a brooch. This jade brooch from circa 1650 to 1750, inlaid with rubies, emeralds, and diamonds, was remade by Cartier circa 1930. And here we've got a clip. This 1966 Persian leaf clip by Van Cleef & Arpels is made of gold and set with rubies and diamonds. I'm moving to the centerpiece of the pages. We have a forehead ornament. So this gold piece, circa 1900, is called a tika and is set with emeralds and diamonds with attached pearls. That's pretty stunning. And over here we've got another turban jewel made of platinum and set with sapphire and diamonds, and circa 1920. This jewel was modified circa 1925 to 35. And the last piece here is this peacock brooch, which is amazing. I wish that it told us the sizes of these things. I'm not sure if the pictures are showing them in scale to each other, but I'm sure this is a very large brooch nonetheless. So this gold brooch from circa 1905 is set with diamonds and enameled for color. Oh, that was wonderful. Okay, so next time we're going to start with rutile. Okay. I want to thank you for being here with me and learning about all this beautiful stuff. And please subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and like the video if you like the video, and share with your friends. Okay? I love you. Talk to you later. Bye.